Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Okay guys, let's rewind the video from yesterday and check the prediction. But I remain more bullish than bearish. The recent dip to 104.4 shook out some longs, but the bounce back to 105.9 shows resilience. Today's price weakness could end up being another shakeout move, similar to what we saw last week. If buyers step back in, a push to 106.4 is possible later today or tomorrow. I said a breakout to 106,400 within 24 hours was very likely. And guess what? We nailed it. The way price got there wasn't picture perfect though. At first the action followed my imaginary path almost scarily well, all the way up to the yellow dotted line at 105,700, where it got rejected once again. From there, Bitcoin retraced to the red horizontal line at 105,000. But this rejection was different. Price didn't stop at 105,000. It pierced through the red level and found support at the next yellow dotted line at 104,300. That zone had acted as support 3 times already, and once again it worked like a springboard. Bitcoin then ripped back through 105,000, broke the yellow dotted resistance at 105,700, and entered the short liquidation leverage zone. That move brought us to 106,500, perfectly hitting my breakout target within 24 hours. This wasn't magic. It was the alignment of clean horizontal support and resistance levels with the hot pocket target areas, revealed by the 3-day liquidation heat map. Now what? I expect a short consolidation around 106,400 before the next leg up. Breaking through that level opens the next price channel between 106,400 and 108,300. Looking again at the 3-day heat map, the next major hot pocket above us starts at 108, which lines up perfectly with our horizontal resistance predictions. June is shaping up to be bullish. After the recent 8% dip from the all-time highs around 112,000 down to 103, this rally looks like a strong recovery. It's giving flashbacks to June 2017, also a bull year, where Bitcoin climbed 10.45%. If history rhymes again, we could be on track for a breakout to 115,000 before the month ends. That would not only give us a new all-time high in June, but it could also negate the usual summer slump and ignite a powerful second half of the year for the bull market. And while we're here, Michael Saylor did it again. He just tweeted that MicroStrategy has acquired another 705 Bitcoin for roughly $75.1 million at an average price of around $106,495. As of June 1st, 2025, MicroStrategy holds 580,955 Bitcoin, acquired for around $40 billion at an average of $70,023 per coin. I will continue updating you daily, and don't forget to scan the links in my pinned comment for bonuses and community invites. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.